single field right here in the 4 or 5 acre field. The other field we cut first yesterday. Luffing her up. I ain't got to do the whole field. I'm just a few passes here and there, mainly this area here. So right behind the house near a little while at the donkey's pen. The main portion of what I'm gonna be fluffing out here. So like I said, I ain't doing a whole lot of. I ain't gonna do a whole lot of this field. I never really ever have to do the whole field. I just do a decent little portion of where the hay's the thickest. So anyway, not doing a whole lot of filming while I'm tedding. Everybody's seen tedding before, done a little bit. So anyway, I'll be back in a couple of days. We'll be raking and a baling. So stay tuned. Raking hay. Lamp 35. Premier VR 1022. Raking away. I'm baling. It hasn't been going too well, I'll tell you that. I done had to open the baler 3 times. This hay was so short. This is the first bale that I made. The hay's just so short. Problem was, and I should have known it, the wind guard that goes down at the bottom there where the bale pickup is. The wind guard catches and gathers that short hay and they're not able to go on into the baler, and it catches, and when it plugs up, and it plugged up 3 times. I did that before I realized how stupid I was and the mistake I was making. And so thank you, Lord. Anyway, so I finally, on the 3rd time it plugged, I said, let me leave the wind guard off. I was getting ready to just square bale every bit of it. And I said, let me take the wind guard off and try the wind guard. So that's what I did, and that was the first full bale that I've made. So, like I said, I've had to unplug it 3 times. When I have to unplug it, I have to open the baler up, the bad catch, have to open it all the way up, and you just have to drive forward, let all the hay fall out of it, and then unplug all the pickup itself. So, hopefully I can now finish baling the field. So I'd probably almost done if I wouldn't have used my head and took the wind guard off the first time. I'd have probably been alright. You can see there I piled one of the bales that I had to clean out. So, and it's a mess when it does it. So, but you know, I didn't think, and I cut the first time it happened. I said, well, I'm going too fast, and which I probably was, and I left it at that. There's actually the first pile bale I had to drop right there. You can see it coming into view. But anyway, so I put it up to me going too fast, but that wasn't the case, because then it plugged again. So it plugged the second time, and after it plugged the second time, then I did it again. Crazy me, and So, you know, like I said the last time, I said, well, let me leave the wind guard off and see what it does. So, we spit out a nice round bale, so finally. So, hopefully now we can finish getting this field baled, move on to some square hay, and hopefully we won't have the problems with the square hay. It's just hay's too short, it was too short, and I wanted to get it off because it was a little weedy. Get the first off, that way I can get nitrogen on it, and the second cut will be way better as long as we get some rain and all. Like I say, I'm gonna put some nitrogen on it, so I just wanted to get it off. I should have known better, but you know, I learned. Move on. Hopefully we get it back. So we're gonna keep on keeping on. Now folks, I got this field baled finally. I got 3 bales. There's 2 right there. Yeah, 3. 3 right there. Out in the field. There's 3 back there. Anyway, I ended up getting 3 bales out of this, which is pitiful, but I do have a little portion right there. I just got fed up with it. Said the heck with it. And I got ready. I was picking up one of the busted bales, and the buzzer went off, and I said I ain't doing no more because it was just being a pain in the rear end. So I quit on that. I'm gonna go bale, square bale. This little bit right here, I got a little piece of a row right here, and then that busted bale right there. So we get done in the other field square baling, we'll come over here with the tractor and the square bale and get all of that up. Just be that many more squares to see. So, but anyway, at least we got the hay off the ground. That's what matters, getting it off the ground. So, on to square bale. Raking and baling. Got the square bale, double D's on the square bale. Got it going with the palm all 8. We're gonna work good. All also forgot to mention that fighting about a 15-mile-an-hour wind while we're bailing as well. Fighting this wind, about like I said, about 12 to 15 miles an hour. So it's a challenge, but we're gonna get it done. All right, folks, the triangle field is bailed, and we bailed it right about 30 minutes. It didn't take long. Got it raked, bailed up, and got 45 square bales. So we're fixing to go clean up those round bales. Oh, that one round bale that I didn't finish. Actually, the one round bale I didn't finish, and then that other one I didn't get to that plugged on me. So we're gonna go do that up and get those done. I'll give you a final count, but right now we're at 45 squares on the track. All right, folks, well, we are done. 3 round bales, 67 square bales total. off of this field we're in right here in the little triangle field. So, real good on the square bales, not good on the round bales, but it is good on the square bales. So, glad this portion of the first cut's done. Got 3 more fields yet to go, so, or 2 more fields. No, 3 more fields. So. But they got a little more growing to do, so I'm gonna do some spraying on them, put some nitrogen on these 2 fields with bales, and get them growing for the second cut. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, give us a thumbs up, really does help the channel. God bless each and every one of you. We'll see you in the next one.